Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to make an automatic quotation from the product master list like this one. We will make use of the data validation tool along with the VLOOKUP to build this up. So let's start doing it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that on the left I have the product master list in which we have the products, their prices and their availability in the stock, and then we have the discount. And from this master list we will build this automatic quotation like this one, in which we can choose the product using the drop down button, and similarly we can also choose the quantity again by using the drop down button. And when we choose these two things from the master list, it automatically fetch the discount as well as calculate the final price. And if the item is out of stock, then it automatically get the message that it is not present in the stock. So let's start making it from the scratch. So first of all, in this H3 cell, we will make a drop down button for choosing the product. For this purpose, I'll go to the data tab and then I'll click on this data validation, and here I'll select list, and in the source I'll choose all the product from the product master list and simply click OK. So in this way we have the product list over here that we can choose using this drop down button. Next, in this quantity, again I'll make use of the data validation. So I'll go to the data validation. Again I'll choose the list, and in the source you can see that I have written the number from 1 to 10. That will be the quantity. After this I'll simply need to press OK, and again here I have the list of the numbers that we can choose for the quantity. Now to get the discount from this product master list, I can make use of the VLOOKUP function. So I'll write equal VLOOKUP, and the lookup value will be the product that I will choose using the drop down button. So I'll choose this cell. After this, the table array will be the product list. So I'll select all this table. Then the product discount is present in the fourth column. So I'll write 4, and I want an exact match. So I'll write false. After this, I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. So now you can see that it is getting the discount from this product master list. Another thing that I want, that this quotation maker automatically recognize that the items are present in the stock or not. So it calculates the discount if the products are present in the stock, and if these products are not present in the stock, here should be written that not in stock. For this purpose, you can see that we have two options. The products could be present in the stock or not. And to shuffle between these two options, we can make use of the if function. So we will enclose this VLOOKUP function in the if function. So in the start of this function, here in this formula bar, I will make use of the if function. And in the logic test, again, because now we want to check the stock, so I write VLOOKUP H3. After this, the table array will be the same. Then we need to provide the column index number. So for the stock, it is present in the third column. So I write 3, comma, false for the exact match. After this, I'll close the parentheses. Now, if this condition is met as yes, then it should look up this value. Otherwise, it should return as not in the stock. I'll close the parentheses. So now let's understand this formula. In the first section of the VLOOKUP, it will recognize that either this product is present, and if it found this product as yes, then it will calculate the discount using the next VLOOKUP function. And if it could not find it as yes, then it will write not in the stock. Now I need to press enter, and you can see we are getting the discount. And for example, if you can see from the master list, the keyboard are not in the stock. So if we choose this keyboard, it is writing as not present in the stock. Now we will calculate the final price. Now the final price can be calculated by multiplying the unit cost with the quantity and subtracting the discount from this. And for getting the unit price, here in this cell, again we can make use of the VLOOKUP function. So I'll write equal VLOOKUP. The lookup value again will be the product in the same table. This time the column index number will be 2 because the prices are present in the second column. And we need an exact match, so I'll write false. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see that we are getting the unit cost, but to calculate the price we have to multiply this with the quantity, and the quantity is present in this H4 cell, and then we will multiply with the amount after the discount, that is 1 minus this discount. After this I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. So now we are calculating the final price after subtracting the discount and as per the quantity. If we increase the quantity, the prices are automatically calculated. But there is a problem. When we select any product that is not present in the stock, it will result as hash value error for the final price. To remove this error, we can again make use of the if function, that if the products are not present in the stock, then here should be written that it is out of stock. For this purpose, again I will write if, and this time I will write that if H5 is equal to not in stock, then here should be written as out of stock. Otherwise, it should look for the same values that we have used the simple formula, and I'll close the parenthesis for the if function and hit enter. So now you can see if we change the item to another item, it is calculating the price, and if it is not present in the stock, the same thing is written as we want to get. So everything is now automatic. We are confirming that the items are present in the stock or not. We are also calculating the discount, and on the basis of this product master list, we are building this automatic quotation. And that's how you turn a plain spreadsheet into an interactive tool. With just data validation and simple formulas, we can build a professional dashboard like this one. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe to Know How for more Excel magic every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.